I know you're feeling high.
Greetings. My name is Herb Rai.
Welcome. I am Stephen.
And this is the Sonic
Desk.
Desk. A journey through Jamaican music. And this afternoon, especially, our honored guest is the Honorable Blackbeard,
The pirate.
renowned Jamaican record producer. He wears so many caps, I can't even tell you.
That's right.
Yeah, and you're going to hear more about it as we go along. So first of all, Mr. Blackbeard. How you get the name Blackbeard? What's with the Blackbeard thing?
Why you want to see, you know? Yeah, but a movie named Blackbeard the Pirate.
That was a long time ago.
Yeah, we go see that movie them and some of my brethren them. And from we come out of the theater, the man them say, are you name Blackbeard now? And from that, the name just stick on.
So is it because you look like Blackbeard or what?
Why, true my bearded black and them thing there, and them said, I go and see him way like the man with name Blackbeard. You know? Cause the part in the show when them say, well boy, Blackbeard dead. When them say Blackbeard dead. And little more the governor here say, boy, is Blackbeard in town or cause problem?
That's so like you. So what is your real name? What's Blackbeard?
Well, boy, the name of my mother give me is Rodguel Sinclair, you know.
Rodguel, Mr. Sinclair.
So she get it out of the Bible.
Yeah.
The Rodguel.
Said Sinclair?
No, she get the name Rodguel out of the Bible.
All right. Well, for everybody who listening, you hear the man name. So let me ask you something. You're a countryman or you're a town man?
Me?
Where you come from?
Me look like a country man. Me born at Jubilee Hospital on North Street, but them call it Line-In.
Yeah, Victoria Line.
That's right.
Okay, sir. Well, all right, no problem. So we know, sir, Blackbeard.
And a countryman.
Yeah. So all who think him come from country is the country down a Snipe Road there. The Snipe Road bottom them come from.
That's right.
Where's the event?
Yes, Mr. Blackbeard.
Yes,
It's an honor to have you here. We go way back.
That's right.
Years
That's
from his
right.
little youth.
The first girl you get, you forgot.
All right,
Yeah, man.
Mr. Blackbeard. So here we go now.
Jesus.
Let's talk about your family. You have some family members in the business.
I,
Great
no
Tapazuki.
family. I want brother. Me have one little brother named Tapazuki.
Yeah, but him not a big tune.
Yeah,
Not a
him
big
have
tune.
one big
Tell the
tune.
people, because some
Him
people
have
might not know.
him have the tune named Oh Lord.
Bow.
People
Oh,
are
yeah.
you ready?
Bow Oh
Yeah,
Lord.
man.
And him have a tune into the British chart named Fenzik.
Yeah, man.
How we do the
He's
chick?
sick. He must be
She
sick.
must be sick.
But so
She
tell me
must
something.
want a
So
Fenzik.
tell me
Yeah.
something. You ever try DJ? You ever try sing or DJ?
No
Yeah?
boss, no boss, no boss.
Why? And your little brother come do it?
Well, him come do it, but 7 brothers, 7 different mind.
I follow you.
Yeah.
So, Blackbeard,
Well,
let me ask
Go
you a
on,
question.
yeah.
How you get in the actual producing in the music? The music
A man
field?
named Bonnie Lee.
Striker Lee.
Yes. That's my idol.
And bring you into the business.
Yes. Live at Greenwich Farm, I was there at Greenwich Farm, and me did a full run one little gang, they would call themselves the Invaders.
Invaders.
Yes. And they just come one day and say, what ya? That's enough for you, you know. I'm going to studio tomorrow morning. You can come. I'm going to come pick you up. And the man come pick me up.
Okay.
This is in 1968. And when I went to the studio, the first tune I was to record, you know. That tune with Slim Smith name, Let Me Go Girl.
Which tune was this?
West Indies record before Byron Lee them.
Dynamic sound.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So you watch them record the tune.
Yeah,
It was so
that-
fascinating. Like, how old was them then?
Boy, I don't remember.
Okay.
To be honest with you, I don't remember, you know.
Okay. But you got through
And
you've
from that, every time it's true that Bonnie Lee, anyway, him there is Blackbeard.
Okay. So, Stephen, tell me that because the whole, the man they have the record company and thing around, him say he win festival 3 times.
Well, yes.
Oh, tell me about that. About the first time. Who was the same artist or different artist?
See about it. We'll have to tell you about that. Hear this now. Ronnie Davis.
Itals, right?
Yes.
Right.
And David Isaac.
Yes, sir.
Them have sung in at the festival. it keep down at Intercontinental, down at
Hotel.
Okay,
downtown, the scene. So I go down there with them, and when I go down there with them, and the two man for them sang get picking at the festival.
Okay.
Boy, I say, Ram is a producer, I mean, I have no song. And I say, them two man, I come up in a crocus bag thing. And never sing a tune, say what? I'm a born Jamaican, I love the girl, coconut
Okay.
water, white rum. And I say, Blackbeard, what kind of girl you have to go sell for get them tune? You can run the Davis have tune and
David Isaac.
yes, well, I just go to the man them, and said, boy, Virgin, my name is Blackbeard and I like that tune, it can't win, Or I like do it, And them say, I say, all right, come check me, I say, around a Joe Gibbs show there,
Okay.
hang out there, I hang out
Yes,
there.
sir.
And
Yes, sir.
them say, all right then. And I left and go, do I have a cent in my pocket, So, the man them come, the man them come. And them say, boy, them want to do the tune for me, because them go somewhere else. And man, I tell them to take out the white rum out of the tune
okay.
and put in herb in the tune, ganja. And them said, no, them can't do it, so them come look for me as a rum man.
So you want the herb man, that's what you say?
I wrote me a rum man. So when them come, I say, all right. So me just go to Joe Gibbs studio and me just book some time. Say, Herald, boy, I want 4 hours,
Which herald is?
Herald T were dead. God
Herald
rest him
Thompson.
soul. Herald
Yeah, man.
Thompson. So I say, all right then, Blackbeard, you can't get the time. 'Cause you know,
That's all
talk
I give
like.
up.
And me do so one call a musician them and say, boy, me I go do this festival show, not even take me have, So me say, boy, here it go now. Oh, we go get paid Blackbeard. Me say, well, boy, never I go pay on, I never leave through,
Never leave them know about this, right?
Never leave know about it. So here it go now, so the man them come. I want to not even tape me have, I borrow a man 16-track tape, And do the tune. So when we do the tune, Vice the tune, Ray, Dean Fraser, them come put on hands. Dean Fraser, Nambo and Chico, them time there, them come put on the hands.
So who play drum and bass and
No, well, a man, you want to see the man we play drum too? A brother named Johnny Pretty.
You know Johnny Pretty, man.
Yeah, man, I'm play.
Long time
Well, you know,
ago,
say Light Parks are my bass
Right,
player.
right,
Buffy.
right.
When I leave him out.
Nah, leave
That's
Buffy.
the man.
No,
Big up Buffy, man. Big
That's
up
Yes,
right.
sir. Mr.
That's
Parks.
right. The great
Mr.
Light
Parks,
Parks.
great
Yeah,
Light
man.
Parks.
I asked if Derek Barney still a drink beer. You believe that? Anyway.
So, when we do the tune, I mix the tune and them thing. Them say, boy, Wednesday, Wednesday, we just go to Sonic Sound and never really pay, well. The man them start going for Neverly one by one for the what Neverly said, what are you talking about? Them said, boy, the children Blackbeard at the festival. So Neverly said, I don't know anything about that. You don't have to talk to Blackbeard. I don't know nothing about it. So I go to Sonic Sound. I pass over that Sonic Sound and Neverly see me coming. I say, you sir, come here. Come in my office. He said, Blackbeard, oh, you tell the man them say, festival tune, I'm for come. I don't have nothing for do with it. All right, so you start hide from the man them.
What up? Before you go any further, you used to work with Neville, you had a relationship with him them time, because if you just call him a name, man, you used to work with him around him time.
No, but I know him through Dynamic Sound.
That's our next
See
one,
it?
Just
Cause I
take
think,
one week.
yeah, through Dynamic Sound, cause when him do the John Holt LP, the way man him brother go fall out over.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Cause me was the man. Cause never the album for sure, The John Holt, cause me go pick up the master pay the studio time up at Tubby's. So I know him from them time. So anyway, we sell boy bass all wagwa, the tune mix already, I have to cut the stamp by And I said,
In the light, the tune anyway?
I said, Jesus Christ, what I go do there, Blackbeard? I said, boy, you failed me out, no. So anyway, give me send me go to Dynamic Sound, cut the stamp and bam, get tune and press it. And him put out the tune. And show start. That time I hide from the man them, you know. The musicians, they can't make them fight me, you know. So the tune come out and the tune start move. So you don't know what they believe, though. That's how wise he is. Him send call the musician them and just start appear them.
It's officially film show now. Eh?
Hear this now, no?
I don't hear
So,
you.
him pay them. And so me I go a country one day. Him give me a big van to you, though.
To drive go country.
The red and white VW van when
Okay,
they have the
right.
barrier. Give me a speak up on it and say, go promote the truth, Blackbeard. So, go a country and one day, we go a country and him say, Blackbeard, what do you think about the truth? You hear me now? You hear me think? Boy, Mr. Lee, my tune can't lose festival, you know. The village say, come here. Don't let her hear you say it's your tune.
Oh my, ownership now.
It's my tune. I bear the music.
Of course.
And they will never feel away about it. Anyway, so tune come out and bam, win festival.
Okay.
All right?
All right. So hold on. Before all right. That's festival. You win festival.
Born Jamaican.
That
you're
are the
talking.
first-
That's Born Jamaican.
Born
you're talking.
Jamaican.
Right.
That
Right.
are the first
Win
one.
3 times with the astronaut.
Yes.
All right. So astronauts become popular now, become a household name
Yes.
now. See, in the meantime, Blackbeard is also a household name because you produce other things as well.
Well,
See?
yeah, me
Okay.
I go and do liquor thing them.
Liquor thing.
No,
No,
man,
Del-
no little thing, man.
You
We
will
can
not-
name
you
some
must
of the
have a little
artists.
thing.
We have some artists here. Man
Yeah,
like
man.
Trinity, 3-piece suit and thing. Dennis Brown, Pam Hall,
Lord.
Freddie McGregor, Delroy Wilson, the Mighty Diamonds,
Nooks.
George Nooks,
Johnny
Johnny
Clark.
Clark, Orius Andy,
Barris.
John Wolt,
Al
Barris.
Campbell, Dabby Dabs.
That's right.
You might need to talk to them about the Barris tune or
Yeah, you had a,
Tell
you,
about
you
that
had a
tune.
big Berry tune one time, named Step Aside. How did that come about?
You know that tune come about now. Dennis Brown the door. Should I for Joe Gibbs? Because I did the round of the detergent, right? So what Dennis Brown do it over again for somebody else. What when me hear it, I said, what? That tune ain't no sound wicked like the Gibbo version.
Okay.
If you do over a tune, if you do it wicked, I said, boy, me I go clap it. Same time, 90 come in. I say, 90, listen, should I? They do it over back, you know. But it no wicked like Gibbo one. Boy, I feel like me I got lick the rhythm in a 9, and I'm saying, by this time, I will talk and go and when you take a stock, 90 go a tough gang, go lick over the rhythm. And put Frankie Paul on it.
Which tune Frankie Paul upon it?
Eh?
Which tune Frankie Paul upon it?
Frankie Paul go sing back the Should I?
Okay.
Oh.
So I said, but how I go on? So I just call Sly. And I said, boy, buy me, I go lick this rhythm in your hand up. And Sly say, all right, we are go lick it. But him now go play the 4th straight pan the tam.
Yeah.
Him go play it pan the hi-hat. And I switch it up. I say, all right. So we go lick it. The first man, when I lick the rhythm, I call for vice the Should I?
Richard Stevens.
Eh?
Richard Stevens.
No, hold on, man. John Holt.
All right.
And John Holt say, I 4,000 for sing it. I say, boy, but I tell you as it going. John Holt say, I 4,000 for sing it. I say, boy, John, me now have 4. A 3 me have you though. The man said, no, him not do it. Him have to get 4. So I say, all right.
But
And-
before you go to friend,
and-
did you tell what year this is?
Well, 92.
92, around them
92.
time.
So them time that it cost about $4,000 for sing a tune.
Him say,
At
give
the
him
street,
4.
at the street price.
A 4
Okay.
grand,
Okay.
but me
And
never have
Blackbeard
4.
price at
Well,
A 3 me have, and they say, nah, sing it. I made it big stuff, but me not say nothing. So me just call Richie Stephen.
oh my. Kind of the Dennis Brown soundish.
And yeah.
Yes.
And Richie Stephen. So I said, why so and so? And him come voice it. And him take the mask.
Yes.
90 90, hear the Richard Stephen version, and Bex go to Al Neville and tell Neville Lee, say, oh, him do tune with Frankie Paul and me do it over. That's Neville Lee call me and a bad me up. And Jason Lee, me have a call and Jason Lee come in and say, no, daddy, nothing no go so.
Savior. Jason Lee are here. Savior. All right.
Yeah. And so, hear this now, me there, one day and say, bury some man drive, come on. And so, why go and box, car box him, call me. Why, me say, me dead up, I say, boy, I'm glad to see you too, you know. Boy, I have a rhythm, I want that thing from you, you know. And I say, the Dennis Brown rhythm there, should I lick it over, you know, and I go upon it. And him say, all right. Me come the Saturday, come vice it. So the Saturday, man, me come a Sonic Soldier early, very early too. And prepare everything and very and day and I play a domino, cause very same I come 1 o'clock. So when we there, who come on, 9 come on. I'm from 9 driving, 9 say, boy, I want a game at the domino there, but I'm not playing with the boy Blackbeard. I want to play against him because I want to give him 6 love. So with the year play, with the year play, he have something up in his sleeve
Yeah,
and
man.
with the year play, I go on and I go on. But every minute, I see him put up him little hand and look on him.
Watch. Okay.
So yeah, me I say, go on. Me I say to myself, you go on, man. I tell you don't know what me have in store for you. Yeah. When it reach about 10 to 1, me am say, boy, me I go here, because I can't get the boy Blackbeard 6 love, you know. So say, all right, so him do some jump in him car and jump up the road. So, boss, 1 o'clock on the dot, you know. I bury some man drive in, you know.
You serious?
I swear.
On time.
Pan
Yes,
time.
sir. Yellow berries, yellow berries.
But hear this now. Berries are wise to you know. I hear this now. We come in and we're there and domino still a play and
And him love domino too, you know.
yeah man, I was there I play domino.
Sorry for interrupt you, Mr. Blackbeard. Your friend Jason no sticks and say must stop go around and get to step aside. You have a message for him?
Watch out man.
And that's him depart. The step aside him depart.
So no, that's what the pan talk about it.
You want
All
to
the
know how the
two.
two get big. So
Hold
get
on,
to your
man.
point.
Hold
You
on,
coming.
man. You hold on, man. Don't rush me here, sir. So, there is come on with day and him I say, what happened, come call this, listen, the sitting there, no? I say, sitting. So we go upstairs. And,
This was in Sly Studio. Right?
yeah, man, megabyte, man.
Megabyte.
So we go upstairs and we listen to the rhythm and it a play and I say, boy, right now, I don't want to find a melody for it, you know. And him a sing and him find some word and then Sly will say, put that there, sir. And him a go on and, because Papa big involved in it, you know.
Before you set up that beard, who laid the actual rhythm for the step aside, apart from Sly?
Then a Sly and Herbie and Gitsy,
Oh, this man here?
This man here
Oh,
there
all
beside
right,
me,
all
yeah.
right, all right.
Yeah,
Nothing more.
man.
And Gitsy Willis.
And Gitsy
All
Willis.
right, just the three of them. All right, cool.
Yeah, man. And we're there and right out. And when we're done now, and there is a play it back there, I can run it down. And I run down. So when we're there, why? When the studio door open, and when the studio door open, it's 9 we see come in. And when 9 is very style, 9 just turn back and slam the door. We have to stop. That's why I have to stop the tape. So when Sly stop the tape, we say, hold on the lick. Him say, boy, bugs. I mean, 9 is here now.
So now you
I'm
was supposed
big.
to work with him.
So, I say, what happened? Him say, me I go tell you now. I know say you have the rhythm, you know. Because 9 cover skate lad and see me and start talk all kind of things. About you. Him don't know close me I is.
Oh.
So, 9, him tell 9 if you come 1 o'clock the sat there. So when 9 there, when 9 reach out, Skateland I look for berries. The 1 o'clock. Him that Sonic Sound, yeah. And I saw we come with this tune and him step aside now.
And the rest is history. Go to number 1. All about the place.
All about, man, all about. All some little man come with some very soon. And we said, don't come with that tune there yet, you know. And I'm going, no, man. Yeah, so when the step aside drop, man talk all kind of things, man, look for all very sad. So you can't carry that tune they go round there, so that's very look for him and say, watch ya. And the vibes, you know. That's how the vibes are there at the time.
So Blackbeard, let me ask you, we just disclose all these different artists that you have worked with over the last probably 30 odd years. Out of all the artists, who would you say is one of your favorite artists to work with?
Why?
Male and female.
Boy, I get along with the whole of them, you know. I don't have no problem, you know, to be honest with you, you know. I'm honest with so, the step aside, no, come and more mix up there, man. The step aside comes now and I go on, so. You remember Gemini?
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, Gemini Club, cause Gemini used to play music up in place, so.
Sell good beer.
The step aside, I go on, so Steely. Me God rest him soul.
Yeah, man.
Steely me a talk about.
Yeah.
God rest him soul. Good boy. Cause me and my teaser, you know, we tease one another all the while, so. Him up there and Gemini play the step aside about 4 times. Lady and the dead. So the next day, Lady and come and say, boy, beard up at Gemini Club.
You have to tell viewers and listeners who Lady Ann is really.
So you don't know who Lady Ann
We
is?
know,
if
but
you
the
don't
listeners,
know.
big DJ, man.
Big first lady in the business, cause Lady and inform upon the corner, murderer.
You go watch
Big
it
tune,
on the
big tune,
people.
big
Murderer.
Yeah,
Big
man.
tune.
Yeah,
Big up Lady Ann. She
Big
got
up
New
Lady
York now, yeah?
So-
Lady and they are New York now, no?
So she come tell me that now, so say, all right then, so I say, Steely. I say, Steely, boy.
Yeah, man. Yellow rock, man. Yellow.
So I say, Steely, boy.
Blackbeard. Well, before you go to front, you have to big up Lady Ann personally, because she watches
she
right
watching.
now.
Then
See?
Big up Lady Ann. Big her up, Blackbeard.
A lady foreigner now, you know.
No, it's my friend. It's my friend. We still keep in touch.
We're not going
We
into
do
fair
only-
business right now. We could,
What?
our next show that.
Yeah, so, Mrs. Steely, I say, boss, at that night I in a Gemini Club, you know, you never see me, you know. And them players step aside about 4 times, and you couldn't take the punch, and you come out, and you walk past your beds, when you pass your beds, and man say, Steely, see you pass your
I
car.
remember when I 190E, yeah?
Yeah, man. So the tease. All right. One day now, I go a dynamic sound. I reach a dynamic sound. As I drive in, so we a man say, Blackbeard, you come here. So I go out and go to him. He say, me one tune, a tune, hear this. And the man play a tune with Tiger about when you go around the bend and see Big Ben. When?
Yeah.
What's a tune, man?
Him say, I'm going to kill you.
Of course.
Him say, I'm going to kill you. But hear this now, though. So when him play that, him play the touch with him name Bam Bam. Because him look over that, him play.
Yeah.
All right, then. So, you see from when the Tiger tune come out, boss,
Yeah. It was the only tune at the time, man.
you see, if me I go down the road and a man say Blackbeard, steal it down the road,
You thought, man?
me turn back. I tell you the truth.
Punch you, man.
I'm afraid, but I will love these.
Yeah, man. Mash up your card, man.
7 days and I said, well, slide and gone on tour it was with your brother mother-in-law.
Judy Moore.
Yes.
Okay.
So,
Oh, yes.
day and day. So, there one evening and the slide, Mr. Come in, I was a boy, buyer. Boy, I'm glad to say you come, you know, because boy, me have to hide from Steely, you know, because I'm a watch on there, you know, with Tiger, you know. Wicked. I say, no bass no in it, you know. I say, all right. So I say, get a copy, I could hear it. So when Western Road come in, I say, Western Road tomorrow, and I go out on the road, get one other Tiger tune.
Western Road was Sonic Sound salesman.
Salesman, yeah, man.
Yeah.
And
Hear up Western.
Western Road get it and bring it come boss, and yeah, Sly, we go listen it on the turntable in there. And Sly said, no worry yourself, Beauregard, we are going to lick it wicked and that. So, him go upstairs with his name again, Herbie. See?
Yeah.
And that time Gitsy never come in yet, you know. And put it down and Ray, and Gitsy come in, you know, and slide there and slide. I said, play this guitar, play that phrase, I got guitar and them there. So when the rhythm done now, I said, boy, Berka, we have to get, I said, we have to get DJ for put on it, you know. So I'm sure, boy, him do a work for a brother around the road and the brother control some DJ. I know you want to call him, but I'm not going to call him name. And, but at the end of the day, when him check the man tell him, say him can't get a tune off of the artist, so him come back to me and say, boy. So I say, right. So same time, I go in a JSLE office, and I say, JSLE, why? We have two rhythm upstairs, because the little woman is like a shadow rhythm too.
Right.
So I said, boy, and JSLE said, boy, you want to say Shaka D must call me this morning and ask me if I can manage him, you know. I said, what ya? Call him and tell him must come back at Sonic Sound this evening.
Justly again.
Yes.
See you
And him
again.
say, all right. And him call Shaka Demos. When Shaka Demos come, him come with players and him say, Jen, come on, I'm and the singer, you work now. So I say, all right, come listen to the rhythm. So I go upstairs, put on the rhythm. Shaka Demos, him a walk up and down like madman in high studio, because I think he will get bad at the time. Now go on. I mean, him say to players, a singer, you did sing a tune for RG. Boy, me have some lyrics, you know. It can't fit on this. And same time, gets himself a try it. And him start singing it. And when it reach a part, me just hear Shaka D must come in. When Shaka D must come in, boss, me I tell you the truth. Every year from my body stand up to rock.
And that's a big murder she wrote, man.
Some murder she wrote. Remember, he said him did play a Bam Bam rhythm. So I said to supplier, I said, well, you know touch tune when you Bam Bam? And him say, yes, wonder if it can fit pan the rhythm. And Gitsy say, I could try it. And when Gitsy say, it can't fit.
Yeah, man.
So I record that. And what a 3 tune of Ice Evelyn, you know. Murder she wrote. Bam Bam. See? And
Girl, right?
Shadow.
no, man. Woman is like a
Shadow
shadow.
rhythm,
Them
yeah.
3 tune there. So we decide, say, well, boy, when we're done, we release the 3 tune one time. So cut stamper. It go a dynamic sound, no cut. And it come back, it press and put out. Simbad buy film portion and send go to England. And we go to New York. So it go to New York and can't forget. Simbad come out, I think at the Monday him come and sell boy that tune there. Him want 200 more. Well, we think all the shot about the murder she wrote.
So let me ask you, the murder she wrote, whose song was it actually? Who ended up?
We have a label named Fifth Avenue South. And that
Right.
first it come out pan. And when it start, well, Sly say, well, boy, a taxi to go pan.
Right.
And it go pan taxi.
But you did have a tune with them named Rough this year, don't you?
Yes.
That come from the same thing as well.
No,
Was that
rough
the same session?
No, I same session, but rough this year it come pan tipsy.
Ah, which is
Which
your
is your
label,
label.
Mr.
Mr.
Tipsy.
Tipsy.
Mr.
Yeah, I forgot to
Tipsy.
use
Yeah.
Mr.
Mr.
Tipsy.
Tipsy.
Let me, well, I want to just sing a minute or so. I say, you record out of the big name that we are called. I say one of the biggest name.
Your friend, man.
This is somebody who,
Who
I've looked at the camera and I said this, people who have no such a thing. This is the Honorable Minister of Culture, Honorable Miss Babs Green. I say, which by your recorder. Tell about that.
Boss. Yeah, man, like you don't know you go around the corner.
We might know about the people that want to know, so why you tell people?
So the tune with the girl and the harmony if you put on.
Yeah.
And where you organize and you was in it and Babs if you put on the harmony.
Which tune that was, though? Which tune that was?
Well, I don't remember the name of the tune right now, you know.
But I think it's upon the Michigan rhythm there.
The same rhythm there where
Uptown, downtown.
Yeah, upon the rhythm there. See?
I mentioned Michigan. Big up Michigan.
Big up
That's
Michigan,
right.
man. Big up
Second
Michigan.
place.
Although them come run with second bar.
No problem.
But
You know, I want to ask you, what makes a good producer? Really, the big answer. When I say an artist, for instance, where you think how the person look, how them sound, them headspace,
them headspace, how them sound
what
bad.
makes a good producer? And I know you select the musician, you select the whole.
That's
the
right.
whole thing.
That's right.
How you get a hit tune? Because you have quite a few. How you go about knowing, say, this can work, that can work.
The man sing the tune and you hear the tune.
Yeah.
And you say, well, boy, and you get the right musician. Cause no your man can sing and them thing and you don't have the right musician.
Musicians.
You know.
True.
It's waste of time that, you know.
Yeah, but
Cause you
I
see it happen to enough, man.
Yeah, but you know when the man can sing and that me I say, me's a man now, me can't sing. And me can and maybe do that thing.
Well, you can't sing attack, you attack.
When that me I
So,
say,
and that's what we have to talk about.
so the producer not gonna make me talk on the rhythm. That me I say, so how do you know now? What you listen for? Tonal quality, pronunciation,
That in it to us.
and DJs as well.
DJ.
Because you recorded Dillinger, right?
Yes.
Record Dillinger and Trinity.
Yeah.
That's right. That's right.
So what?
Mr. Brahma. Yeah, man.
Yellow,
Big up
Mr.
Junior,
Junior, Yellow,
brother.
That's my friend.
But
For
Blackbeard,
our life.
I'm looking down on the list of all these different artists
Yes.
that you have recorded
Yeah.
over the years.
Yeah.
And one of the greatest voices ever to come out of Jamaica is a man called Bunny Ruggs.
That's
Rest
right.
Rest in peace, Bunny Ruggs.
Yeah.
Former lead singer of
Of
Third
Third
World.
World.
Big Third World.
Herbie-
Big up Third World.
Herbie-
Herbie Old Band.
Herbie organize it.
Yeah. Herbie what?
Organize it.
You know the worst thing.
You better, between you and him, I will listen.
You know the
Don't
worst thing
explain
about
the
it?
story, 'cause I don't know
You know the
about it.
worst thing about it? You say farmer lead singer of Third World. You see this farmer business, huh? Okay, I was in a Third World at that time, right? And
10 years, not one at a time. 10 years, tell them.
11 years to be exact.
11 years.
And we was doing a tour one time, and we in somewhere in Europe, and them asked the lady, very nice, quietly, she asked Bunny Ruggs, what happened to Ibu and Willie? As no, for most of you might know, Willie is
Steve
is a
Nolan.
Lee. Is Will Lee in real name, yeah? And the people them ask, what happened to Willie and Ibu? And Ruggs say, well, the man ain't to farming now, you know. And me I looked at me and said, him say, yeah man, them a farm food of themselves. God, them should have still in this. And me I said, but no, you run out the man then. Him say, no, that's a different argument. So, when you mention farmer, and you mention Ruggs, him in charge of the farming business, how come you get to do an album with Ruggs? And me you say it's not really even a Bunny Ruggs album, it's a third album you have.
No. Cause Cat said, from him no play upon it, it can't be Third World.
But Cat never play on it.
Eh?
Cat don't play on it.
No.
Oh, okay.
No, him say him not play upon it. Cause if him play upon it, it a go be Third World. Cause you done the upon it already. It's a Bunny Ruggs.
Oh, so he was still in the group.
Yes,
that
at the time. Then,
I get it now.
So is that what album you do with Ruggs?
whole album.
You put it out? You
No. Anniversary.
Oh.
Put out, so.
And I hope him listening. You love Cat Core too.
When you respect him, and him said that me never put it out.
What for yell up Cat Core?
See?
Because
I
big
never
respect
put it
Cat
out.
because And I want him put in the hot seat one of them evening, you know. Because I can't have a whole heap of things to say to her as well. I mean, so we want.
So I still have that album. I still have that album, you know.
So you have to just sit down on it.
No, I'm not have to sit down on it now. I mean, I'm ready for put it out yet. Give some more time.
All right.
It's a memorial album, that.
All right. We cover quite a bit of that now. We're getting to the other part of your thing now, where you start the carding business. Everybody know you as a man where, from you say Blackbeard, they get scared because they have some card for you. First of all, you know so much people business. That's the one thing. Do you have a source out of street there who give you information? Because you know everything what
No,
go on.
because enough of them talk them business that make me hear. I mean, I'm not going to say no.
All right.
No, well, you know what, Herbie?
Music production as it was then, as opposed to music production now. Because we know that you have them computer and everybody. Well, I don't want to say everybody is a producer, fill the street out, so I don't want to say that. Because you have some nice things that go on at the street. And everybody is a producer. But what makes a difference, or is there a difference in production then as to producing a song now?
Yeah, man.
And what advice would you give to me if me want to produce a tune? What's
You?
the thing?
I can't give you no advice.
Fight.
I can't give you no advice. Because sometimes he come to you and ask you, what you think about this, Herbie? Where should I put this up? So you go around and attack.
No, but young lad say it
Yo,
because
you
you know when it has to be on the rock. I'm going to tell you where you are here. See? So the production of then and now.
Well,
I look at the transition.
Here it go now.
Mm-hmm.
Them time they are now. Better music used to make them time there.
You see?
Well, more feelings inside, like a live thing. A live thing. Notice sometime, you know, a singer come and sing a tune, you know. And he must sing a tune and you just feel that thing you play your keyboard, you know. And you just feel that thing and you just sign some cards and fit in there, so, you know.
Okay.
That now you not get that now again. Little drum machine, the kind of one thing, this one.
I mean,
But
when I find the drum
that
machine,
can-
you know, because you get told by each song with the drum machine. No matter what it is. See?
Yes. But
That's
me
why
I
we
tell
have
you.
slide on the hot
But me I
seat,
tell you.
and we have slide about the drum machine thing too. Because
See?
if it's one of the only man them where
No, well, why don't know him program for him drum? Because sometimes do him program it.
So like I play.
You be a live drummer player, you know.
Yeah, him have it like that. Really like that. But I mean, it's like, we don't even get the slighted because him have his own show. See? The thing now is about Blackbeard, it's about you. See?
What happened to me?
Ringcraft Posse, how that start
And what it is about.
and what it is about.
And who started?
Well, the Ringcraft passes.
First of all, you have to make people know it's not no gunman thing or
Yeah.
no bad man thing. So make them know.
Does
Mr.
to me look
Blackbeard.
like gunman?
Well,
And you tell
we
me
know a
earlier,
long
say you
time,
come
you know,
from
you tell
Greenwich.
them.
And them time they, you know, hey.
No. Ringcraft passes. No, well, you see, I mean, come up with that name there, you know. Because, you know, say, every man, Joe Gibbs and the professionals.
right.
See it? Bonelli and the aggravators.
Okay.
So I come with the Ringcraft, Blackbeard and the Ringcraft posse.
Okay.
So it really
Okay,
goes.
so it's really music people, producers,
Ringcraft,
singers, musicians.
Name some of the guys that were in the posse, are still in the posse.
Everyone will know, man.
Enough
Nah,
people,
man,
man.
you have to
If a
make the people
musician,
know.
if a musician a Ringcraft posse, we play
Man,
light,
Al Campbell and them man there.
Yes.
Does
All
Ringcraft,
Trinity,
vice president.
vice president.
Yeah.
So, I mean,
does Ringcraft have everything to do with crafting people? I mean, like fooling up people.
We are fool people.
We are Ringcraft.
Yeah, we are Ringcraft. Cause we are teaser, you know. We are teaser, you know. So
Yes, sir.
if we see you do something out the road,
Polish it.
sometimes we polish it up to you know.
You know, are you-
like a polish,
Yeah,
right?
man.
I'll give you
I'll
a
fix
credit
it
for
properly.
still. I'll give you a credit for. I don't know if you remember this, but many years ago, we got on a Joe Gibbs to record a song. Madu came around there. Big up. Madu dead still, but rest in peace, yeah? The big Madu we're talking about. Carry me, Courtney Panton,
See him there?
yeah. And now videographer.
Big up Mr. Panton.
Him carry around a studio, run a Joe Gibbs to record a song named Kochi. I read him name Kochi. Now, Light Park, she just don't play. And Light Park have this beautiful bass that they put down for the thing. I put the stand up and I look at the bass.
That's a long pipe you there.
It can't take. See? And when we say, When the tune done and the man them look for and say, I'm not coaching that. I look at chill on pipe. That little spliff. Because we feel good enough. Say, yeah, we look at it. And Madu man said, no man, you them, man. And you are the man, so you can do it better, man. Go back around there. And this time, because we know so you have you beard where I say, yeah. Hey, him do a tune pan it name, Ganja Field. You have a minister for housing, trust, you have a minister for finance, you want a minister for ganja. Wicked Madu tune. That was 80 little bit or before 80. That was long time, you know. But
80,
I say all them time there.
80 little bit.
Yeah, I check say all them time there. Are you name Joe Gibbs?
Yeah, mad one.
No, because every studio. So you pay the fishman, you pay the woman with the fruits woman, which around you pay she. Chicken, you just have a bulk of money. You just rich and your belly just out there, you just turn up like on your place. Some figure say, hey, you're the man.
No, sir.
You know it. So it's after a man tell me support me and somebody said, no man, the joking. Joking is the man with the little voice. And I say, yeah. So yeah man, no Blackbeard just there for draw card, man.
That's
you know
right.
So
and give me the money for spends.
like Mr. Lee, which take us back to Mr. Lee now. Byron Lee, Sonic Sound, Never Lee, Dynamic Sound, Never Lee,
Sonic Sound.
and Byron Lee and the two lead them and the two sound them. Tell about that. Cause I hear you was batting on one side of the wicket and then you was working over Dynamic Sound, then work on Dynamic Sonic Sound, and then you are you a ring craft, Mr. Lee? Tell me about that.
No, well no, hear this though. Astronaut them get a picking out of put in an next tune. Yes.
I make a jam this now.
Hold on. So well them they bring in a thing say well boy you have a professional for singing a festival.
Okay.
That's a card that Babs did bring. So Sam did send in a tune named Jam Rock. So
Sam Carter you're talking
yeah.
about?
So True him alone couldn't sing it. Cause nobody never know him them
Okay,
time. Him are not professional.
Okay.
Him draft him friend them. Astronaut.
Yes, sir. So it becomes
So-
some Carter the astronaut.
Yes, so
Alright.
the only man them can draft I know. It's Blackbeard, cause Blackbeard make them win all the while.
Right.
So him come to me the tune and and said them have this tune and them play it for me and I said, bad. So me in turn now come to Neville and say, boy boss, you have a tune can't lose festival here. Tune you bad here. Neville said, boy Blackbeard, boy me can't bad at festival, you know, cause through the year before Stanley did punch me out of the ring cause Stanley did come with a tune but I'm dreaming of a new Jamaica, a land of peace.
Yeah.
Not even bad mind could have beat that
That you
tune.
the wicked.
See?
Sorry for cut you. Barry Biggs is watching, you know. Long time. Big up
Big
Barry
up
Biggs.
all
A
Barry
long
Biggs,
time we don't
man.
see a
Oh,
Barry
no.
Biggs.
No, when we
Big
say up to
Barry
this
Biggs.
morning.
I want to talk this
I wanna
morning.
talk.
Man.
You know,
Yeah,
we
long
just
time
in
we
the way.
don't see Barry. Big up Barry.
Them and their funeral, you know. You get to be an age now where I'm going funeral, you walk up people now. But
No, Barry Big I'm a friend, you know.
That's true, man. For what my
Every
five-
day we
five
talk
man,
on WhatsApp, you know, boss.
And
So,
look you out with the phone and I watch it, you know.
Blackbeard, I have a question here.
so what I'm never done
Alright,
with the
sorry,
Sonic
man.
Sound
Sorry,
thing,
man.
man.
Go
All
ahead.
you're cutting, so you know what
Sorry,
I'm talking
man.
about.
Go ahead.
So,
Get serious.
Moko, so I say never leave. Why this tune I can't lose? But I said, boy, I'm not here. I'm done with the festival. So I left her and I go on a Joe Gibbs. Cause you know me sing out around there. So I say, Willie Linda. I say, boy, Willie Linda, boy, me have a wicked tune, you know. With astronaut, them, you know, can't lose, you know, and boy, me go check Neverly, and Neverly said, boy, I'm done with festival, and I can't, Willie Linda hold him beard, so. I just tried. I said, well, them ras Chinese man, I said, lie. Them we don't do a tune yesterday with Stanley. Ozzy produced it. You remember Ozzy's bird?
The bird.
Yeah. Him say, yes, him do a tune with Stanley. And I never leave old. So I say, oh. But because that time I drive never leave because
The bird
bug
man.
there. The
Oh,
bug.
the video.
Yeah. So I just say that dynamic. So call the while they delay yourself. Because you're going to know when cats phone up and we rehearse up our zinc friends then. Eddie Lee used to come there all the while through Eddie Lee, see me and the people, them, I want me know the people, them. All the while, him left on Blackbeard. I come work a dynamic sound. So me always a turn him off. But from willing to tell me, say, never leave, go work hard, Stanley. When me just hit a dynamic sound, I go look for Eddie Lee. I said, why, boss?
You ready?
I'm ready, you know,
I have a
cause
tune too.
I have a tune here that's you know that I can't lose, you know. And him say yes, and the man just take up him phone. BJ, can get some studio time? And BJ say, what that Mr. Man, all right, get it. And him say, well, here it go now. BJ say, you can get 2 hours, you know, but you have to come out by 8 o'clock or Jeffrey Chung a come in. I'm say, all right. And him say, set up the time for Blackbeard and give him a tape. And I will talk to you about it. So him set up the time and give me an. But it's a bam man. Go record the tune that dynamic sound now. And when we record the tune, boss, Jeffrey Chung come in. So my time. Cause hands are come on. So Jeffrey said, boy, Blackbeard, go and work, me work.
Okay.
Better than that. Him say, well, the hands man, them you have that. I said, no. Him say, you can't find them. I say, yes. And him say, why? Go and go look for the hands man. And him take up Mikey Riley as my engineer and him say, boy, and him go round the board. And I go drive, go to Dean Fraser yard and tell him. And him say, all right, him go call Nambo and Chico. That time, Madden come amongst them now.
Yeah.
And yeah. So we down there and him come and him put on the hands and everything. And Jeffrey Chung say, watch it. I gotta mix this tune here, you know. And he just mix the tune. Wicked. The man said, the only thing I want from you, you know, Blackbeard, is a cassette of the tune, you know. I say, all right. Put it on cassette, put it on my cassette, though. And Monday, go to work, come a Sonic Sound. So, the Monday, when I come out, so never come here, because never leave it, go a foreign. And Friday trip and come back and so go a road. When I come in that time I drive the little bit. When him come in, say, boy, Mr. Blackbeard, I do have no car, so you guys have to carry me home. So don't leave. So I say, all right then, boss. Time me have my little cassette with me tune in our backpack. So when we dead there and him a bag him record, you know. Can work hard, you know, never leave there, you know, and work hard, you know. So no for take care of him things them here, sir.
Are you not talking that you got me?
No for take care of him things them. So when we did there, who must come in? It's Azzy. Azzy Bird come in with a little 2-track tape. And him come in and say, what am I producer? Alright. Yeah, alright, so come back and I go home now. So me and him are Azzy in the car. My little cassette in the Bible. Yeah, I forgot when I reach up at the yard that time when I live up at Red Hills there. And when I go in and what's the name again? The fat man there. The helper. What's the name again? I don't know.
June.
June said the
I
name.
think so.
So she says, Miss June, set up some dinner there for me and Mr. Blackbeard and Mr. Azzy. You know? And I see him draft with like a reel-to-reel machine. And put on the tape. And then I play this show there with Stanley and I listen it. So I said to myself, that's not a trend to me, man. So when it done play, I said, boss, so you big the cassette player they have. And him go feet and just take out just take out the little cassette. I said, play this boss. You see when the man hear the answer is man. And when him hear start them coming, him say, Blackbeard, how you do it? So I 1, 2 we have, I 1, 2 we have. So he said, no, sir. 1, 2.
Because I'm thinking at Sonic sound of the two tune.
Yeah, I said, no, sir, no 1, 2. Dynamic sound true. That the man just tap the cassette and just fling it to him door and say, watch out, come out of here.
Leave.
Leave. Just get up and take up the cassette and
Look at the guy who drive, because they probably walk off on the hill.
no, but I feel him care. So anyway, as they come out and we drive out and they and next day we come and work next day. And don't say nothing to me. Just to buy little work. For me keep my mouth shut and everything. Stamp a cotton festival tune come out now and with that and one day brother from RG I understand it come in and after me and him a patch up back things, we start exchange 1 or 2 words. Henry said that come in. I said, boy, Mr. Chin, you have the Bodies Festival through the car lose, you know. For me pick out my little record, them and don't say nothing. Hear me, you know, no? Boy, Bush, you not hear good. Nothing can beat that's what I true, you know. So they and pick out the record, never really not say nothing. And then it's done on God. And say, you, come in on my office. And I'm here, bro. Watch out. It's just work out Friday, you know. Work out the Friday, you know.
And leave.
And park my car here, sir.
Yeah, man, leave, man.
Yeah.
So that was your introduction to dynamic sound.
Yes, sir.
Let me skip again for something here. I just way a man write something about the transition of the music and the whole music, the whole Jamaican music scene from what it was to what it is now. A matter of fact, see, it's a David Rodguel thing I look for now. You know what I mean? Emma said it's like the singing is not the same, the production is not the same, the DJ is not the same. And I don't think it's wholly because of the digital thing. What you think, or do you see a change, firstly?
No, but, honestly, none of them young youth here, I sing J, them not sing.
No, sing. So they must
Them
sing
not
and DJ.
And DJ,
Okay.
you know.
So,
The youth, maybe if they go take up the rain and run with it, you know.
who that?
When name
Chronix?
Chronix, sir.
Yeah. So it's him is the youth now what you see as
Yeah,
like
we
the
made,
answer.
yes.
So
we
how about
made
the
it.
female them? Come on, like a nice slower females
You have
lately.
a whole heap of females, but the girl they could have sing, you know. I can't sing, you know, but I don't know what I'm to. What's her name? Keisha Pattison.
Keisha, yeah.
Wicked singer. Wicked
But
singer.
I don't know.
And you
I
have a
think-
next little girl you know me here. She sound good. I'll tell you it.
Yeah,
She
okay.
sound good too. She
But
sound good
but
too.
I don't know. I think me personally think Keisha my friend. But me think she prefer sing jazz. Me think she like do them kind of thing there as opposed to the regular pop scene with the
No,
Ray and
she don't do the pop scene, but our producer point her to the direction there.
Okay. Well, but so we want to touch data there. Tumbe, she name Liba.
Liba. No, I mean, should I ask you? A long time I know hear from her,
Yeah,
because
but-
she there go on, you know, because she know the monk slide them.
I think so. Your Pam data?
No.
Pam data,
Can't
wicked
sing.
innovation.
Yeah, man.
Pam have a data named Pip. Oh Lord. Remember fail me again. But she wicked, man. I don't mean it's our mom,
Yeah.
And you would have worked with Pam over the years.
Well,
Work with tune. Perfidia, one of our biggest songs was yours, yeah?
Yeah,
man.
yes,
And among others. Yeah. Man, look on some.
With the dual little album, you know.
Yeah. Tell me something. You work with Sinclair Slash, did you?
No, only Harman she come put on. And,
Okay.
No, I do not.
Okay. How about like I3s, any of them? Anti-Marcia, Anti-Rita?
No, never.
And you work with Light Patch a whole heap?
Oh, Buffy.
Yeah.
I'm a birthday, yeah, man.
What
Hold on. Robbie Shakespeare, I'm a friend that, you know. Like brother, you know.
If I go get the chair, wasn't it? Don't worry about it.
But I do more work with Buffy more than him, because Buffy they are more of the time, you know. Because you know them.
Buffy available.
Yeah,
Right.
you know. Because really and truly, I Light Parks and Robbie Shakespeare, my best man. You know, the last half, you know, with the use Keith from Chalice.
Keep.
Yeah, from Chalice,
yeah,
you know.
Mr. Francis, good
Yeah.
boy that too.
Yeah,
Yell him up. Where you see the music go? You as Blackbeard, the producer, where you see Jamaican music? Well, both at home and abroad.
Boss. Remember the business open up more, you know.
Okay.
The business open up now. It's the young people in it now for relax themselves, write some good tune,
Yes, sir.
and think the opportunity is there.
Much more than then.
Much more and then.
Yes. Because one time we have to go through the man there,
The man there. The man there used to peel well like a publishing or
Yeah. Nowadays,
so
they
we
just
don't
do
know
one
what
thing.
go on, you know.
Yes.
Them peel we.
Yes. Nowadays, no, you just do your own thing, put it up online, and you're getting a go.
I want to tell you, most of them young people, you know, them did more educated to the business more than we in them time there.
Okay.
No, enough time when we do it for love, you know.
Aye.
As a man out there, you do it for look to a girl and all them thing
yes.
there, you know.
Yeah, if we didn't know it's a girl and money didn't night so much, we would probably better with screenshot like that. Let me ask you a question. You and other producers, who are some of the other producers where you tip your hat to, where you respect?
Well, boss.
Outside, you mentioned Striker there already.
I mean, I did all that, you know. Because, you know, enough time people say, I'm going like Bonnie Lee. So.
How about Lee Perry?
Scratch.
Everything starts from scratch.
Scratch Wicked. Good producer.
What about your friend Ozzy Thomas?
Who?
Your friend.
Your friend
Ozzy Bird.
Thomas. Ozzy Thomas, we say. Your friend Ozzy Thomas.
You said that nobody give a
Oh, Ozzy? No, well, I me bring Ozzy now. I me take Ozzy a Bonnie Lee record shop, because when me there run Bonnie Lee record shop for Bonnie Lee, I me bring Ozzy now. As a salesman, you know. And then when they left, I'm going to spot in there. And the next time you hear him out on the road, you know, they all a tough gang and them things.
What's your favorite artist out there now?
Out the road, you know?
Yeah. We would just go somewhere and just listen to them and the tune, other woman the tune, other group. Who are you think?
Well, I don't really have no favorite artists out there right now, you know, because I move around, I don't have no time for really listen to favorite artists.
So you're still in the business as a producer, you're still
there, yes. Yeah, I have my little box over there. So.
What kind of system you work with now? Because I know say the big tape thing, everybody have a computer.
Well, me have do everything, you know.
Oh, wow.
Me have everything, you know.
Because I just see you post a page up there with your two track.
The 2-track machine,
Yeah.
the 4-track. Because a man come in and fix it up back and them thing there.
Okay.
You find say you have enough rhythm from 4-track where people want, you know, because them start to ask back for the whole time rhythm them, you know.
And you still run Pro Tool and them thing there. Because I know
Them
you
still have them thing there, man.
They with them
Me have
same way with
everything
the
there, you know. Me have
See?
every machine.
You hear what happened now, Mr. Blackbeard?
Yes.
Our time has expired. We could be here all day till next week.
That's
We
right.
have to bring you back.
Yes,
the
come
part two.
on
Part
really
one.
start
Yeah,
talk
you
about,
didn't start
we not
certain
talk
thing.
about the Lee dynasty
Yeah,
yet, you know.
we talk about
You
that
know?
on the next trip. But guess what? It's a pleasure having you here.
Yeah,
And like I
man.
say,
Big up
we have
yourself,
to bring
man.
you back again. And
As a
to
whole
everybody out there watching, we'll be back in a few weeks, not too long. We don't know who the special guest is going to be yet, but we'll be advertising it and let you know. So, I am Stephen.
Well, on before you go there, because I'm a bride, but I want to say a special big up because I just get the message now. See, to the man called Derek Barnett.
Big up Derek Barnett,
Big
man.
up.
That's
Derek.
And the
right.
statement, man.
You must
And
know
big
that.
up New York,
Yeah,
too.
but you know what I say.
Derek Barnett.
Derek is one of the men that will get me involved in this music business.
Yeah, man.
That's
Derek.
From
right.
Gujarat, you know.
That's
See?
right.
And that's why I say, Derek,
Some round at the road there when
just
We used
cool,
to
man.
cover all that. The
Derek
road
father
there.
and my father, Derek mother and my mother. See, it's a, he used to live at Kingston 4 and me live at St. Anthony 5. See,
Dangerous
so big up
man,
down
you
there.
know.
Yeah, man, down
Yeah,
there.
man,
at
and
the
before I
man,
sign
man.
out, I
See?
want to big up Mr. Courtney Panton and Mr.
Yeah.
Dan Martin for
Yeah.
setting up all the
whole of the
electronics
thing
and the gadgets and
Yeah, man.
thinkers.
I will
It's the
say
first
Derek-
show and
I will say
I
Derek
hope
make
it
this thing
sound
go on,
good,
you know.
but the report I get on my phone said it sound good, so I know them do a very
Yeah.
good job.
Yeah, and Derek make this thing here go on, you know. Can tell me say him going put up a statement tune, one tune a week. Derek
Right,
Barnett
right.
say it. And me
Mr.
say,
Barnett.
so I call my people them now and say, watch out. I could try do a little rehearsal thing one week, you know. So Derek Barnett responsible for that too. As me
Yeah,
say,
man.
him responsible for so much of my music career. Derek, because I forgot you know, I love you that way you didn't rasta. I don't care what a man wants to say, because you don't know.
Big
You're a
up
journey.
Mr. Barnett.
So I say,
Big him up, big him
the
up.
man used to make me just listen to music. Just come in my yard and just listen. Don't talk, don't sing, just listen. And you teach me to listen. Big up here,
And
sir.
teacher for drink red stripe beer.
No,
too.
Derek drink Heineken.
I ain't sure.
But that's our next show. But I will
Let's show
say,
talk about the beer.
you
then.
see, as me say, I am Herb Rye.
And I am Stephen,
And this is
the Sonic Desk
Bless up.
journey through Jamaica.
That's
music.
right.
Bless up.
Boom shot.